Animal Sounds Part 3. Chicks. That's the sound of chicks. Turkey. That's the sound of turkey. Chimpanzee. That's the sound of chimpanzee. Horse. That's the sound of horse. Crocodile. That's the sound of crocodile. Seagull. That's the sound of seagull. Hawk. That's the sound of hawk. Falcon. That's the sound of falcon. Housefly. That's the sound of housefly. Hyena. That's the sound of hyena. Puppy. That's the sound of puppy. Kitten. That's the sound of kitten. Cricket. That's the sound of cricket. Gorilla. That's the sound of gorilla.
Wanna watch more videos? And then please subscribe us. Thanks for watching.